Hello, beautiful souls. I'm Mommy on a Journey, and I welcome you to my cozy kitchen. So, today we're going to do a simple recipe. I'm going to make pizza dough, and it has many uses. We'll go into it a bit later. It's just going to be simple pizza dough, quick, easy, and so let's get into it. Okay, so now our ingredients, we're just gonna need some flour, sugar, yeast, salt. This is warm water. I just warmed it a little bit in the microwave, and then I'm gonna use this water. I had made tea earlier on, so the water is a bit cool now, but I'm gonna use this water. Okay, so I'm gonna use this as a mixing bowl. Firstly, I'm going to use about 2 cups. I'm going to use 4 cups because I'm going to make two pizza bases. But you can use two cups of flour to make 1 pizza base. So I'm going to put that about 4 cups for me, or 2 cups if you want just 1 pizza. Okay. Now that this cups of flours, okay, let's add the sugar. I'm gonna add about 2 teaspoons of sugar, and then the yeast. I'm going to add again 2 teaspoons. Then I'm going to take the salt and just like about 2 pinches. But if you're using, you must remember, I'm going to make 2 pizza bases. So I'm going to double everything. If you want to make 1 pizza base, just 1, you just make everything half. So so just mix with it. Mix them up. Okay, so I'm gonna take a bowl. Okay, let's just move this to the side. Take my warm water, put it in the bowl. Keep in mind it's half a cup. Right, I'm gonna put 2 of these and then 2 of these for warm water. What? Okay, wait, hold on. Okay, so the other half, you see, I should have actually made 1 cup, but I just remembered that I'm doubling my ingredients, so it's 1 cup of milk that I'm going to add. It was warmed up. Mix it well. Okay, now we're gonna add here. I'm going to maybe add, let's use So now the warmed milk, right? I'm gonna add it a little bit, not all of it, you see, just a little bit. And then we're gonna judge how much more to add by how our dough gets, you see. So our dough needs to be sticky, but not too sticky, you know. You see now, look at it, it's still a bit dry. So we're gonna add a bit more. And then let's see how it goes. Oh, I think that's a bit better. Okay, here's a tip. If you put too much liquid in your mixture, just add a little bit of flour. And of course, if it's too dry, just add a bit more water. See, I think this looks fine. Okay, Okay, so now our dough is ready. As you can see, it's nice, sticky but not too sticky. Perfect dough. So now what I'm going to do is cover it. So if you don't have a lid for your container, you can just put a dishcloth, just cover it with a dishcloth, or some people would like to use a plastic paper, not a plastic paper. I would like to use a plastic and then just cover it with it and then put a cloth over it, but it depends. But I prefer just putting it like this. Then you just let it sit for about let's say 15 to 20 minutes, and then we'll come back to it. All right, there. Now I think it's time. You see, when you open it, it's nicely risen. Now we're gonna roll it out. Just wait a second. Okay, now that our dough is fine and ready, remember I batched 2. I'm gonna make 2 pizza bases. So for you guys that made 1, this is just your 1. You're just gonna roll it out. But if you guys made 2 like me, just divide your dough. I think I'm just gonna use a scraper, whatever this thing is called. Just divide it in half, and then I'm gonna. Okay, I took out margarine here. This one is it's made with 100% plant-based oils, so I'm gonna use this to just knead out the. Okay, because it gets sticky. Just wash my hands. It gets sticky, so you just wouldn't want to get it so sticky on your hands. Okay, just trying to divide this by half. It's so sticky, it's so difficult to break it in half, eh? But we try, see, we try. You know what? I'm gonna use this one because I'm avoiding to like put my fingers in there or to put something in there. I'm just gonna rub it on my hands. Getting dirty. Damn it, dirty. Okay, I'm gonna also take this thing out. See? Much easier. Much easier. Getting dirty. See? Here's my nice and easy, doesn't get so sticky. Okay, I'm gonna put it here first. Then the second one. See? Second one. Okay. Ooh, I forgot to line my. Okay. With that done, I think I'm a little bit. Let me just do this just in case. Okay. I didn't line my pan, my tray. Wipe it. I didn't line my trays, but I'm gonna line them now with a non-stick because I don't have that, what do you call that paper again? What's the name of that paper? Yeah, whatever that paper is. Okay. Then I'm going to preheat my oven. Wait. I'm gonna preheat my oven and just bake them for about maybe 20 minutes. Let's bake them for 20 minutes. Oops. See? Put it here. I think it's a little bit too wet for me. Feels wet, but let's go. Okay, you guys here, you can use a rolling pin, but yeah, it's quite easier for me to just do it with my hands. I'm already using my hands, so yeah. For those of you guys, just use a rolling pin as well if you prefer, and then you just roll it out, roll it out, roll it out. I guess it makes it even that way, but I don't care much for it being rolled out. Okay, this one needs rolling out. Oh, guys, when I think of, okay guys, so now I've got my two flattened pizza bases. So I have mine now. So before you put your toppings and everything else, you'd need to bake it for about 20 minutes in the oven, and then yes, so let's get to that. I'm gonna preheat I forgot to preheat my oven. You're supposed to preheat your oven before rolling it out, but I forgot to do that. So I'm gonna preheat my oven now. I'm just gonna preheat to, let's actually make it 180 degrees Celsius. I'm not sure what it is in Fahrenheit, but for me it's 180 degrees Celsius. So okay, we wait because homegirl forgot to preheat. Okay, while we wait for the oven to heat up, let me grab a chair. I should have made tea, actually. I should have made tea. Then we can have a nice chit chat, you know. Okay, what do you want to know? Okay, fun fact about pizza dough. You can make anything. Okay, not anything, but you know, you can make a lot of stuff with pizza dough. You can use it for cinnamon rolls. You can use it for pig in a blanket. You can use it for a lot of things. Just Google it and you'll see what else you can use for pizza dough. But well, I'm gonna make pizza. So guys, watch my next video as I make pizza. Okay. I think, I don't know how to talk about. Okay. Alternatively, guys, you know, you can, we're gonna bake these for 20 minutes, right? And if you maybe don't want to bake it right there, you're gonna add your toppings. After adding your toppings, then you just freeze it however way you please. Just freeze it, and then you will just put it in the oven again once you're ready to make the pizza, if you're not gonna make it immediately. But for me, I'm gonna make it now. I forgot to take out take out the tray. Whoops. kids of base. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you could follow the video. If there's anything you'd like to tell me, or if there's any comments, please comment down below, and please hit the like button if you like it. If there's any suggestions, if there's any more type of doughs you'd like to see, let me know, and then I'll do it for you. And thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, and yes, thank you. Love you guys. Bye.